aquatic ecosystem or water based ecosystem. You can find aquatic ecosystem found in only water, that is why we call it as aquatic ecosystem. These aquatic ecosystems can be classified into three major groups, that are freshwater ecosystem, marine water ecosystem and wetland ecosystem. Now let us discuss briefly about these aquatic ecosystems. So first one is freshwater ecosystem. Freshwater ecosystem includes ponds, lakes and rivers. In these freshwater ecosystems you can see number of fishes and frogs, snails and many more aquatic organisms. And also you can see plants like lily, plants like water lily, lotus and grass, and you can see birds like crane and kingfisher. In this ecosystem, in this aquatic ecosystem, there are number of insects, birds, plants and fishes are present. They interact with each other, they depend on each other and make an ecosystem that is called aquatic ecosystem and freshwater, and they can combinedly make a freshwater ecosystem. Now marine water ecosystem. As you all know, marine water ecosystem includes seas and oceans. The water in the seas and oceans are salty. So the organisms which are living in the marine ecosystem has to adapt for the salt conditions. Here you can see tortoise and fishes, whales and sharks. You can see number of big fishes in the marine water ecosystem. Now next, wetland ecosystems. Wetland ecosystems are the combination of water and land. You can see here, you can see some water and some land. That is why we call it as wetland ecosystem. ఇక్కడ వాటర్ మరియు నేల రెండు కూడా కనిపిస్తూ ఉంటాయి, అందుకనే దీన్ని మనము వెట్లాండ్ ఎకోసిస్టమ్ గా చెప్తాము. ఇన్ దిస్ వెట్లాండ్ ఎకోసిస్టమ్స్ యూ కెన్ సీ మేజర్లీ amphibians like frog, lizards, crocodiles you can see in wetland ecosystems. Swamps are the examples for the wetland ecosystem.